Good morning, everybody. Here at Tracy Aviary. This handsome fellow is Rafiki, our Northern Ground Hornbill. And what we're doing right here is getting a weight read on this big boy. We do this every morning with our birds. It's one of the ways that we can check and make sure that they're healthy and everything's on track. Just wanted to let you guys know that despite earthquakes yesterday and in the wake of everything that's going on, things are happening normal here at Tracy Aviary, even though we're not open. And Rafiki's heading out now from where he sleeps overnight to his daytime enclosure. Come on, buddy. And he's got a toy waiting for him out there. So things are happening as normal. Everything is carrying on, you know, hopefully the same for you guys. Here he is. This is where he's going to spend his day. Well done, Rafiki. Go play with your toy. Good boy. Well done. All right, there he goes. Okay. Off to engage with his enrichment of the day, of which he gets several. Keep his little mind and body occupied, but there he is. All right. Well done, sister. And over here we have Jackie is about to do the same with the Curie American Crow. She's gonna get her weight. Different method for Curie. She's hopping on the scale right there. Get her weight. Pop into the crate. There she goes. Very nicely done. And now Jackie can clean her enclosure. You can see the aftermath of all the toys she got yesterday. So, yep, things carrying on as normal here at Tracy Aviary. We hope you guys are hanging in there after the earthquakes yesterday and things are normal for you as well. Take care and we'll talk to you soon.